Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly reset your PlayStation 5 controller if you're having issues with it. So if you look on the back of your controller, there's going to be a small reset hole right here. You can see it very good. Just take a toothpick or some sort of pin and place it in there with your controller on. And you're going to notice your controller is going to turn off. There's going to be no lights on the light bar. And you might have to reconnect it with a USB cable or something like that. Otherwise, just press the PlayStation button and turn it on. And then you can just double check this too. Now, if you got the DualSense Edge controller, you can go to Accessories, go to DualSense Edge under the menu, and then go to Reset right here. And you can reset it with the in-game options as well as the little pin on the back where you can just place a pin in there. And then you should be good to go. So just reconnect it and you should be good to go. Now, another thing that you can do is go to General Bluetooth and then forget the controller and then just re-add it to your PlayStation 5, once again with the USB cable. And that tends to fix a lot of the weird issues that I have with the Bluetooth connection on my controller. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.